guys? Silverge'S right here is showing a review of 1/144 high-grade Gundam The Origin GM Intercept Custom from Mobile Suit Gundam The Origin Mobile Suit Discovery. Yan, so this model kit was released in the year 2018 by Bandai Spirits. Yan, so itong model na to is nabili ko sa Toys R Us. So nung na-purchase ko to, naka-promotion siya ng 50%. So from 1,299.75 pesos, na-purchase ko na lang to sa halagang 650 pesos. So for me, it's a price steal for a 1/144 high-grade model release. And yung promotion niya is ongoing until supply last. And ang maganda pa sa promotion ng model na to, hindi lang to available kay Toys R Us. Also, available din yung promotion niya kay Toy Kingdom, kay Toy Town, kay Landmark, kay All Toys, and sa Metro Malls. So for more inquiries, contact details, and deliveries, especially sa kilalang toy store dito sa ating bansa, follow Toy Kingdom Philippines, Toys R Us Philippines, and Toy Town on Facebook para ma-assist nila kayo in your hobby needs. For the contents of this model, so ang makukuha mo is 12 runners and 2 klaseng stickers. So para sa 2 klaseng stickers, ang makukuha mo is isang foil sticker and isang regular sticker for the detailing of this model. And last, para naman sa manual ng model na to, for me maganda yung details na nilagay ni Bandai Spirits on this. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko na nilagay ni Bandai Spirits dito sa manual ng model na to is yung markings or yung guide kung paano or kung saan ilalagay yung regular stickers for the detailing of this model. So I'm very excited to build this model. So ngayon na naipakita ko na yung contents ng model na to, bali next ko naman na ipapakita is yung itsura ng model kapag buo na siya. So tara, proceed na tayo. Yan, bali yung itsura ng 1/144 high-grade Gundam The Origin GM Intercept Custom kapag buo na siya. So overall, sa details ng model na to, I'm very happy with the results. Sa kombinasyon ng kulay niya and sa sculpt na dineliver ni Bandai Spirits on this, very unique and attractive siyang tignan. And para naman sa stickers ng model na to, for me yung stickers na nilagay ni Bandai Spirits on this is isa rin sa mga naging factor kung bakit mas naging astig siyang tignan. Kaya lang, ang issue lang na may encounter mo sa sticker ng model na to is yung level of difficulty. Kasi since this one is a 1/144 high-grade model release, yung details na nakikita nyo sa sticker ng model na to is napakaliit. Kaya for those collectors na gagamit ng sticker on this model, better gumamit kayo ng tweezers para may apply nyo yung sticker na maayos on this model and para makaiwas din kayo sa aberya. And last, para naman sa size ng model na to, nung sinukat ko siya by the use of tape measure, ang size niya is 5 inches tall itong model na to. So overall, sa size and sa details ng model na to, for me this one is an excellent release. So good job on this, Bandai Spirits. For the weapons and the accessories of this model, so ito yung makukuha nyo guys. So unahin natin is itong beam spray gun. Next naman is itong extra hand para mapahawak niyo yung beam spray gun sa GM Intercept Custom. Pangatlo is itong beam saber. And last is itong beam saber effect parts na extra. So it's the collector's choice in what way nyo ipapagamit to sa model na to. So para naman dito sa beam spray gun and sa beam saber handle, question, meron ba tong lagayan or compartment para sa model na to? Well, the answer is yes, meron. So, located yan or inilalagay yan sa likod ng bewang ng GM Intercept Custom. Kaya lang, pagdating sa compartment ng model na to, hindi siya katulad ng ibang models na lahat ng accessories and weapons is may i-attach or mailalagay nyo sa model. So, dito sa GM Intercept Custom, iba to. Mamimili ka nga lang ng isang weapon kung ano yung gusto nyong ilagay sa likod ng bewang ng model na to. Kung beam spray gun ba or itong beam saber handle. And para naman sa denomination ng accessories and weapon na nilagay ni Bandai Spirits on this model, na kahit na konti lang inilagay nila dito, for me, it will still make a great impact. Lalo na kapag gagawa ka ng gunpla posing or gunpla photographies. So, ito yung mga weapons and accessories na kasama sa 1/144 high-grade Gundam The Origin GM Intercept Custom. For the articulations of this model, so kung titignan natin yung bawat parts in this model kit, ang masasabi ko overall pagdating sa articulation and posability ng model na to, na this model is an excellent release. Kasi ang nagiging factor kung bakit maganda yung nagiging execution niya dahil na rin sa magandang suporta ng parts or polycaps na nilagay ni Bandai Spirits on this model. And ang isa pa sa nagustuhan ko na ginawa ni Bandai dito sa model na to is banda rito sa upper body niya. So tanggalin natin yung upper body niya. So ang reason kung bakit nagustuhan ko yung upper body ng model na to, ito yung ginawa ni Bandai Spirit sa kanya. So kapag gagawa ka ng posability na maganda or extreme poses, ito yung magandang resulta na ginawa nila. So pwede mo i-extend. Ito siya. So you can extend this one. Yan yung isa sa mga nagiging factor kung bakit nakakapag-deliver to ng magandang posability and articulation. So kumbaga yung upper body niya, isang magiging tulong to para sa'yo. Kung ikaw yung tipong tao na mahilig kang gumawa ng iba't ibang klaseng poses. So this part sa upper body can support you all the way kapag gagawa ka ng gunpla posing or gunpla photographies. Kaya overall sa articulation and posability niya, sulit ang bayad mo dito sa model na to and hindi ka ipapahiya nito. And lalo na if you're a Grand Suit collector, this model is a must buy and a great addition sa iyong koleksyon. So let's talk about recommendations. So question Silverge, besides this GM Intercept custom na 1/144 high grade, may iba ka pa bang may re-recommenda? Well, the answer is yes, meron. So if you don't want this model, you can go for 1/144 high-grade Gundam The Origin na premium Bandai exclusive na GM Intercept custom na fellow booster equip. So kung i-compare natin yung premium Bandai exclusive against dito sa regular release, may similarity at pagkakaiba sila. So unahin natin yung similarity. So kapag tinignan natin yung model ng regular release against sa premium Bandai, iisang model lang yan. So kahit tignan mo yung manual, yung building procedure niya is the same. Yung pagkakaiba naman, proceed naman tayo. So yung differences nila, una is yung box art syempre, pangalawa is yung sinama na parts sa model. So kapag tinignan kasi natin yung premium Bandai exclusive, meron siyang fellow booster na kasama. So yan yung nakakabit sa likod ng GM Intercept Custom. So kapag tinignan natin yung regular release, wala siyang kasamang fellow booster. And last is yung sa price range. So kapag tinignan natin yung price range, mas mahal or may kamahalan yung premium Bandai exclusive against dito sa regular release. So kapag tinignan natin sa market yung premium Bandai exclusive, ang estimated price range niyan is around 1,600 to 2,000 pesos. Kaya for me, in my own opinion, alin man dyan ang makuha mo, premium Bandai man or itong regular release, for me, win-win situation yan para sa'yo. Lalo na if you're a type of a person na ang ini-aim mo lang naman is yung mobile suit. Sa mobile suit discovery na Gundam The Origin. Kaya you have options on what type of GM Intercept custom are you going to collect. If you're going to go with this P Bandai, or if you're going to go with this model na nakikita nyo sa video, na 1/144 high-grade Gundam The Origin GM Intercept Custom. So that's it. I hope that this review is nakatulong sa inyo in your hobby needs. For more updates and reviews, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Verge Kevin Umali, and also you can follow my Facebook page, Silverge'S Toys and Gunpla Family, para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang gagawing toys or Gunpla reviews. So hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood. Happy building to all and God bless. Let's share the joys of Gunpla to the community. Build, inspire, repeat.